हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ एंजल 1111। एक्चुअली मैं इस टाइम पे खुद को बहुत ही खुशनसीब मानती हूँ क्योंकि ये जो हाई टाइम अभी कोविड का चल रहा है तो बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स हैं जिनकी मैं अभी हीलिंग कर रही हूँ और वो 100% रिकवर भी हो रहे हैं। इवन जिनकी डॉक्टर्स ने श्योरिटी भी नहीं दी थी तो वो भी पूरी तरह से हील हो चुके हैं। तो आई फील वेरी ब्लिसफुल एंड वेरी लकी कि मुझे ये ब्लेसिंग्स यूनिवर्स से मिली है रेकी हीलिंग की। और अलॉन्ग विथ हमने एक मिशन भी स्टार्ट किया है जहाँ पे हम फ्री मेडिटेशन कंडक्ट करते हैं मदर अर्थ की और कोविड पेशेंट्स की हीलिंग के लिए। तो ये जो सुकून है ये और कहीं नहीं मिलता। आई एम रियली वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल टुवर्ड्स द यूनिवर्स। और ये जो फेमिनाइन है इन्होंने हार्डली कुछ दिन ही हुए होंगे मुझसे रेकी की दीक्षा ली है और वो उस टाइम पे शी वॉज सफरिंग फ्रॉम कोविड। बट जैसे कि रेकी का जो मेडिटेशन है वो थोड़ा सा लंबा है और उनको बॉडी एक हो रहा था बहुत ज़्यादा, सो शी वॉजेंट एबल टू डू दैट मेडिटेशन। सो आई टोल्ड हर कि मेरे पास दूसरा एक 20 मिनट का मेडिटेशन है तो इस टाइम पे आप वो कर सकती हैं। बट शी सेड नो दी, आई एम गेटिंग लॉट्स ऑफ बेनिफिट्स फ्रॉम दिस मेडिटेशन। आई एम फीलिंग वेरी रिलीफ आफ्टर डूइंग दिस एंड आई एम रियली वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हर। मैं उनका जितना अप्रिसिएशन करूँ उतना कम है क्योंकि इतने तकलीफ़ में होने के बावजूद भी उन्होंने वो जो 1.5 घंटे का मेडिटेशन है वो किया, क्योंकि पहले 2 दिनों में ही उसका रिज़ल्ट उन्होंने देखा था। तो उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं दी, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए मैं मेरे 21 डेज़ इसके साथ ही कंप्लीट करूँगी। एंड हियर इज़ द रिज़ल्ट, शी इज़ कम्प्लीटली रिकवर्ड नाउ। एक्चुअली ये वीडियो थोड़ा सा लंबा जाएगा, ठीक है, तो इसको मैं 2 पार्ट्स में यहाँ पे अपलोड कर रही हूँ। जो पहला पार्ट है वो उनके फिज़िकल और इमोशनल हीलिंग का है, ठीक है, और नेक्स्ट पार्ट मैं जो अपलोड करूँगी वो उनके ट्विन फ्लेम जर्नी का है। सो वीडियो को थोड़ा सा ध्यान से सुनिएगा क्योंकि उन्होंने छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को भी बहुत ही अच्छे से समझाया है जो भी उन्होंने एक्सपीरियंस किया, ठीक है। तो आगे की आवाज़ उनकी है।
Hello everyone, this is Monica, one of the student of Swati Di. I took a course of Reiki Healing Level 1 and Level 2 from her. So when I started this course, I was tested positive for COVID. It was my second or third day of COVID. So before taking this class, like my before taking this class experience was like 2-3 days were worst. Like I was crying, purging, and the negative thoughts were all over in my mind. So I called Swati Di. I requested her, like I told her my problem was like I'm getting too much negativity, and everything feels like falling down, crumbling. So what to do? I called her for healing, but she told me like, Monica, you can take healing 1 session, 2 session, 3 session, but that's not permanent thing. With Reiki healing, you can heal yourself. You don't need anyone to heal yourself. So I thought that it was a great idea. So I asked her like, okay, fine, Di, give me some time. I'll definitely take this course. Then suddenly on a day, like second day of my COVID, I was feeling like the worst, and then I dropped a message. I was literally crying at that moment. I dropped a message. I want to take this course. Please start it as soon as you can. So she gave me the appointment of next day. My first class was the very next day. So I started the class next day. That was third day of my COVID, and the class was of 3 hours. And I took the class completely focused. Yes, at that moment also I had a fever, body pain, but somehow it went well. So, and they also told me some things like how to get over all these negative thoughts. I followed all those things. So the very first day of the class, after taking the 3 hours of class, I had to do the meditation part. So I asked I'm not able to sit as I'm having a high fever and body pains. She said, okay, no worries, you can lie down and do the meditation, but do the meditation, it will help you. So very first day, it was like, I thought, how meditation will help me in COVID. there was a doubt in my mind. So then I took the meditation. And yes, first day it was fine. I told thee that I did the meditation. Second day, I did it again, the meditation. And second day, I could feel the difference. Like when I was doing the meditation, I can feel the peace in my mind. First day, I couldn't focus properly. Second day, yes, the focus was not completely there, but yes, I could feel the difference from the first day. So I told thee after doing third day of meditation, I told thee that I can feel the difference in me. The negative thoughts which I was having, yes, they come, but now I'm able to control my thoughts. Earlier, I used to get over crumble down and started crying. But now I can control my thoughts. I know how to control it. I can make myself positive at my worst. So third day it was good. I can feel the difference in my thoughts. But fourth or fifth day, I could feel the difference in my body as well. The fever, the body pain. That pain was not there completely. Like it was there, but not completely. That first day or third day pain, that was the worst pain ever. Like I felt as a body pain. But from fifth day, I can completely feel that difference. Like I don't have any body pain. I told Didi I'm feeling completely relaxed. Like COVID is there, but there is a difference from the first day until now. But in COVID, as you all know, like it takes 14 to 15 days of recovery. But from fifth or sixth day, I was completely fine. Yes, I did have symptoms. The cold was there, coughing was there. So I was very prominent and determined to do the meditation now. Earlier I used to lie down and do the meditation. From 7th or 8th day I started doing the meditation sitting, like for 1 hour 21 minutes, or you can say 1.5 hour meditation is there. So I did it completely fine and sitting only. So I told that I did the meditation and I was sitting during the meditation. I was not lying down, and I'm completely feeling fine. And she was so happy for me. Like my negative thoughts were all gone. My body pain, my COVID thing. I was having so much of problems with COVID, but everything was gone. Yes. So after sixth, seventh, eighth day, I could feel the difference in me. So my body was completely relaxed. I didn't have any negative thoughts. And the best part is my communication with the universe, it got better. Like I asked it on fourth or fifth day, I asked something to the universe. I had a question in my mind regarding my DM or a specific person, you can say. So I asked it and I received the message within 6 to 7 hours. And I was so happy that I just dropped a message to Didi. It just happened. Earlier, I used to ask, yes, I asked it earlier as well, but I did get the answer in 2, 3 days, 4 days. But in 6 to 7 hours, it was so frequent and it was so clear message that anyone can analyze it. Yes, this is the message regarding that question only. And I fixed a specific sign as well. And I saw that sign 2, 3 times within 6 to 7 hours. And then whenever I asked after doing that meditation and taking Diksha from after that, whenever I asked angels to help me, I got the instant help. So in a way, you can say your connection with the angels and your connection with the universe gets stronger once you start healing yourself, once you start healing your chakras, once you start taking that meditation. So in a way, it was all a magical experience for me because I can feel the difference in me. Even my sister, even my friend, and my person, jiske liye I was so worried. So everyone sees the difference in me and they find a different part of me now. They even tell me you are changed, it happened after magic, this COVID thing or after a magic thing. Anything happened? So I told them I took a Reiki healing And to my surprise, they were all surprised. Like, people are not aware of Reiki healing that much. So people think that how does that healing helps to cure any disease or any your thought process. But now I can say healing does magic to your body. Healing does magic to your thoughts. So yeah, so this is 15th or 16th day of my meditation, and after taking Diksha. So today, I can see the difference. Like whenever I see myself in the mirror, I genuinely give a smile to me. Like I'm proud of me now that I have healed myself. Halfway through, I have healed myself. Still 4 or 5 more days to go, and I can't wait to see the difference in me after 21 days of meditation, because I can feel that like magical difference in these 14-15 days. So my suggestion to everyone who is going through like the worst pain in their life, who is going through the mental and physical traumas, who is having a lot of negativity around them, they can't control their thoughts, and they can't control negativity to come into them. So they should undergo definitely Reiki healing course, because if I can change my thought process, I know how I was earlier. And within 15-16 days of time, if a person can change completely, and if he or she can control his or her thoughts, that is magical. Because anything you can do, it's fine. But it's a superhuman thing to control your thoughts, because it's like automatic. The thoughts come into your mind, you can't control them. But once you do your healing part, and the best part is you don't need anyone to heal yourself. It's you only who can heal you. Don't rely on others. Now I know this. When the first day Swatidi said that, I was like, okay, fine. How would I heal myself? I don't even know. Then now I know how to heal yourself. So I would suggest everyone who's like going through any pain, any like physical, mental trauma, they should go and like take this Reiki healing course. It would be like a lifetime investment for you. Seriously, it would be a lifetime investment for you, and you will never regret it. You'll only get something out of it, and you'll not lose anything. So, all the best to everyone who is like willing to join this course. And I know everyone can heal themselves. If I can heal myself, anyone can heal themselves. Because I was like 2-3 days were the worst days of my life. And yes, it does have medical, like if you are thinking that how does it like act on the diseases, it will help that also. Because I have recovered my COVID like in 10 or 12 days only. So now completely I can say it helps in diseases as well as your like emotional and mental things also. So please, guys, if you're planning, please go and take this Reiki healing course, because it is a lifetime opportunity, and the course is available at very, very, very low cost. Because believe me, the benefits you get out of it is invaluable. Like you cannot value and you cannot put that thing in monetary terms, because that benefits are going to stay with you for lifelong, and it will heal you for lifelong. You don't need anything, you don't need any healing, you don't need any guidance from anyone after 21 days of meditation, because you get the clear guidance, clear messages from the universe, and you get directly connected to the God, to the divine, as I can feel that. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Swatidi, for like suggesting me this course. I'm really, really thankful to you. Thank you so much.